Right. So grade 7 history class, English medium. I told you that I'm Rashid Pereira. I'm conducting history classes in Sinhala medium and English medium. Right. So let's start again. Right. Vinuka. Okay. So you can see Vinuka. He's here. Right. Yes, Vinuka. Unmute your mic and tell me about yourself.
My name is Vinuka Kodikara. I live in Kadawatha. I am 10 years old. My birthday is in January 1st. Uh, my school is Vidura College, Kalaniya.
You are just 10 years old, right?
Yes.
11 years old.
Next
Yes.
year, 11 years old.
You are born
Next
in
year.
January. You are January born, right? Okay. How about Matisha? Matisha, how are you?
Bonjour.
Okay. So after a long time, right?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me about yourself and your class. Yes.
My name is Matisha Situni Seriratna. I am in JMC College International. I live in Polonnaru and Rashim is a very good teacher.
Okay. How about Mitsuki?
My name is Mitsuki Vijayatunda. I'm talking to you now from Japan. And I went to Hillwood College. And I'm 10 years old.
Okay. Right. Very good. So this is
I'm Tishan Chenaya. I'm 11 years old. I study in Vidura College. I live in Kalania, and this is my first time joining to this history class.
Okay. So you are same school in Vinuka, right? Kalani Vidura
Yes.
College.
Yes.
Are you classmates?
Yes.
Okay. How about Lakindu? Lakindu?
Thank you, Miss. My name is Lakindu Anuhas Heyantudua. I am 11 years old.
Okay.
My favorite pet is a cat. My favorite food is rice and curry. I like to drink water. This is my first time joining to this class. From now on, I will be a student in this history class.
Okay, right. So how about Mithuda, right? Mithuda? I'm not working, right? Can't hear you. Okay, so let's start Putala. First of all, right, in grade 7, you have 5 lessons, right? In your grade 6 also you had 5 lessons, right? So how about your third term examination? රටේ තිබුණු තත්ත්වෙත් එක්ක තියන්න බැරි වුණාද දන්නේ නැහැ. කොහොමද උනේ?
Teacher, I got my marks today.
You got your marks?
Yes,
Okay, how about your marks?
88.
88.
Teacher, my marks.
Okay. Tisani?
93.
93 marks. Matisha, how about your test? No, it's sports phone. right?
Yes, it's on
Oh.
11th.
11. Okay, right. So let's start grade 7, right? Did you got your textbook yet? No, right? You didn't get your textbook, right? Okay, I sent you the textbook. So you have 5 lessons for your grade 7 history syllabus, right? So your first lesson is lifestyle of our ancestors. Today we are going to start that lesson, but before that, I'm going to tell you about the content of your grade 7 syllabus, right? So this is your textbook, right? I will send this book, right? This is your textbook. So you have 5 lessons, right? Take out your notebook, right? Take out your notebook. You only 80 pages CR book is enough for the whole year, right? Because I'm going to give you a tune, right? A nice tune for like this, right? For the every lesson, I'm going to give you this tune. You have everything, right? About your ancestors like that. So only 80 pages is enough for your notebook, right? Okay. So take out your notebook. We are going to learn about the content, right? The term wise. Term wise අපිට මොනවාද ඉගෙන ගන්න තියෙන පාඩම්. Term wise අපිට මොනවාද කතා කරන්න තියෙන පාඩම් කියන එක තමයි අපි කතා කරන්න හදන්නේ. First of all, right, take out your notebook and put the date. Right? Put the topic as content. Okay. Right? And your first lesson is lifestyle of your ancestors. Lifestyle of our ancestors. Lifestyle of our ancestors. Lifestyle of our ancestors. What do we mean by ancestors? What are ancestors?
The people who lived in the past.
People who lived in the past, right? Ancient people. Okay. Your next topic is, right? Your next topic is renowned kings of of our of our country, right? We are going to learn about renowned kings, like great kings about our country. When we know about, right? We have to talk about Anuradhapura Kingdom, Polonnaruwa Kingdom, Damadeniya, Yakahuwa, Gampa, Gampola, right? Like that. So we have many great kings from Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa, Damadeni, like that. So Matisha is in Polonnaruwa. So who are the great kings who ruled Polonnaruwa? Polonnaruwa Kingdom kings who
King
ruled in Polonnaruwa.
Parakunwala the first.
King Nishankamalla. What else?
King Parakramabahu the first.
King Parakramabahu the first, very good, right? King Vijayabahu the first, like that. Who are the kings in Anuradhapura period? Anuradhapura.
King Pandukaba.
King
Pandukaba.
Devapiyatissa,
King Devanapiyatissa.
King Dudugamuvu,
King Dutukavana. In your grade 6 last lesson, right, you learn about many Anuradhapura kings, right? Kings in Anuradhapura who ruled Anuradhapura kingdom, right? Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to learn about kings who ruled in Polonnaruwa, right? Not the Anuradhapura, right? In your grade 6, you learn about Anuradhapura, right? Now, in grade 7, you are going to know about the kings who, the great kings who ruled in Polonnaruwa. So, we have to divide this lesson into two parts, actually, right? First part, well, maybe it will video. Second part, right? First part and second part.
why is that, teacher?
Okay, we are going to divide it to the terms, right? So in your first term, you have only these things, right? Only for the first part. Only first part. For the first term. That's why we divided it into parts. First term, right? First term. Our third lesson is our cultural heritage. Our cultural heritage. Our cultural heritage. So, do you have any idea what is a cultural heritage mean? What is a cultural heritage?
The the uh, the eras, that kind of things. Eras.
No, not the eras. Cultural heritage means it contains right about our foods, right? Our culture, right? අපේ සංස්කෘතිය. අපේ clothes වෙන්න පුළුවන්, අපේ foods වෙන්න පුළුවන්, හරිද? අපේ දේවල්. අපේ rituals, customs, everything අපි කියනවා මේ ඔක්කොම අපේ cultural heritage. So cultural heritage. There's one organization to the whole world. There's only one organization who can appoint World Cultural Heritage. Do you know about that? World Cultural Heritage is what is the organization? මුළු ලෝකෙම
UNESCO.
තියෙන cultural heritages වගේ නම් කරන්න පුළුවන් එක මේක organization එකක් තියෙනවා. මොකක්ද ඒ organization එක? Sorry?
UNESCO.
Very good. UNESCO, right? UNESCO is an organization that had authority, right? That had power, right? They had right to number, right? The heritages, we have 6 cultural heritages: Sri Lanka, Sigiriya, Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa, Tamulukian temple, right? Kandy, right? And when we talk about the natural heritages, we have 6 cultural heritages and 2 natural heritages in our country, right? So, අපි ඒ ගැන ඉස්සරහට කතා කරමු. And fourth one, right? Our fourth lesson is ruling centers of later periods. 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 Okay, Bhutala. So after Anuradhapura and Polonnaruwa, we have Damadeniya, Yapahuwa, Kurunegala, Gampola, Kotte, like that, right? We have many kingdoms, right? We call those kingdoms as our second urbanization kingdom, right? Anuradhapura Polonnaruwa, together we call that as Rajarata civilization, Rajarata kingdoms, right? Anuradhapura Polonnaruwa. Those are our first urbanization kingdom. And when we talk about the later period, kingdoms, ruling centers of later period means after downfall of Polonnaruwa kingdom, what are the kingdoms that we had in our history, right? Okay. So it's also we have to divide it to two parts because for the second term you have only first part and second part, right? Okay. පුතාලත් මේ වගේම වෙන් කරගන්න. එතකොට පුතාලා විභාගයේදී දන්නවා ටීචර්ගෙන් අහන්න ඉන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. අනේ ටීචර් මම මේ මොන ටිකද පාඩම් කරන්න ඕනේ නේද? මට පාඩම් කරන්න බැරි වුණානේ. එහෙම අහන්න ඉන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට ෆස්ට් පාර්ට් එක වෙනකන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තියෙන්නේ සෙකන්ඩ් ටර්ම් එක. සෙකන්ඩ් ටර්ම්. ටීචර්ගෙන් අහන්න ඕනේ පාඩම් කරන්න පටන් ගන්න පුළුවන්. කෙරෙන්නේ. right? The last lesson, right? It is very nice, right? It's a very beautiful lesson, right? Actually, my favorite, right? Ancient civilizations of the world. Ancient,
We did it in grade 6 now.
sorry?
We did it in grade 6 now.
No, those are like Mesopotamian civilization, Egyptian civilization, like that. You know, in this lesson, we are only going to talk about only European civilizations, like Greek civilization and Rome civilization. Have you ever heard about Julius Caesar, Augustus Caesar, those persons, right? අහලා තියෙනවද? Julius Caesar?
Yes.
ඔය ජුලියස් සීසර්ව දැකලා ඇති නේද මේ කාටුන් එකේ? මොන කාටුන් එකේ?
Surapapa.
සූරපප්පා කාටුන් එක. අන්න ඉන්නව බලපු කට්ටිය. නේ? සූරපප්පා කාටුන් එක. සූරපප්පා කාටුන් එක බලපු නැති කට්ටියක් ඉන්නවද? මතීෂ බලලා නැහැ වගේ සූරපප්පා. එහෙමද?
Yes.
Ancient
ටීචර් මම
civilization
කාටුන් බලන්නේ නැහැ. මට වෙලාවක් නැහැ කාටුන් බලන්න.
the world. Ancient civilizations of the world. So it's for your third term, right? Third
It's a very big lesson.
Yes, it's a very big lesson. So we have to
Like
talk
grade
about
6.
Greek civilization and Rome civilization at that lesson.
Teacher, I'm very happy that we can have a smart board.
You can.
I'm very happy that we can have a smart board.
Yes, I'm also very happy. Because we can do more quizzes, right? Yes, Mati?
Yay.
Yay. Okay.
Today can we do quiz?
Okay, let's do, right? Last 5 minutes, we can do quizzes. Okay, finished? Tiseni, are you finished? Puta? Mitunda? Sorry. Mitunda?
Yes, teacher.
Right.
Yes, teacher.
Natsuki, finished?
Yes, teacher.
Teacher,
Yes.
are we ancestors to this class?
Are we?
Ancestors to this class?
Yes, you are ancestors, yes. Matisha, Vinuka. I told you that Nimru is also there, but he didn't came today, right?
Teacher, what about Rumika?
Uh, I don't know
He said
about.
that
I thought he had no chess practice or something like that.
yes,
Let's see, right?
he can come paper class. He said he can come to paper class.
Right. So today we are going to learn about Asian civilization, lifestyle of our ancestors, right? So for the first term, you have lifestyle of our ancestors lesson and first part of renowned kings of our country. Today we are going to start uh, lifestyle of our ancestors. So you know that ancestors means Asian people, right? People who lived in the past. So how about the lifestyle of our ancestors? Lifestyle of our Asian people. Do you have any idea? අපි කතා කරමු ඒ ගැන. ඕන දෙයක් කමක් නැහැ. වැරදුනාට කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. What do you know about our ancestors? What did they do? What did they did right? How about their life? How about their foods? How about their houses? Like that. Anything. ඕන දෙයක්. ඔගොල්ලෝ අපේ පරණ හිටිය
Mostly
කට්ටිය
the
ගැන.
agriculture,
Yes, agriculture. Okay, they did the agriculture. What else?
less technology,
Sorry.
less technology.
Yes, right. So, is their life is simple or difficult?
Difficult.
Difficult.
Difficult. Is their life difficult? Why?
More simple.
Simple. Why
Simple.
did you say simple, Matisha? Okay, Matisha said
Because they
our
only did agriculture.
yes, Matisha. Okay, Matisha is here.
Right?
Why did you say it's simple? Why it's simple?
I regret saying that.
They don't have to do. They don't have to go to schools, right? They don't have to study for the exams, right? What else? Is
No
their
job
lifestyle is so
application.
simple?
Simple. I'm correct. No
Yes.
machine.
Their lifestyle is simple, right? Why it is simple? They don't have different needs, right? ඒ කියන්නේ පුතේ ඒගොල්ලෝගේ ජීවිතය හරි සරලයි. ඇයි? ඒගොල්ලන්ට ගොඩාක් දේවල් needs හරිද? ඒගොල්ලන්ට උවමනා කරන දේවල් තිබුණේ නැහැ. දැන් අපි හිතමුකෝ විනුක ඉන්නවා. right? විනුක අම්මගෙන් ඉල්ලනවාද රෑට කන්න අම්මේ අද මට පීසා කන්න ඕනේ. නේද? හෙට රෑට ඉල්ලනවා අම්මේ මට අද නම් චිකන් කොටුවක් කන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ අපි කියනවා මිතුද අම්මගෙන් ඉල්ලනවා අම්මේ මට මෝටර් කාර් එකක් ඕනේ නේද? මොනවද ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ රේසින් කාර් එකක් ඕනේ. මේ මෙච්චුටි කියනවා මට අන්න අර ඩෝල් වල හරි මොකක් හරි. දැන් කැමතිද ගෑන් ළමයි ඩෝල්ස් වලට? කැමති නේද තාම? No. right? එතකොට
I like clothes.
you hate dolls?
No, I like clothes.
Ah, so දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝගේ needs වැඩි නේද? එක එක දේවල් ඕගොල්ලන්ට ඕනේ. and අපි හිතමුකෝ job life එක ගැන. කට්ටිය ජොබ්ස් එක්ක බිසි වෙලා හරිද ගෙදර කට්ටියට එකට කෑම ගන්න වෙලාවක් නැහැ කෑම මේස ඉඳගෙන ගොඩාක් ලයිෆ් එකක් බිසි වෙලා තියෙනවා අපේ ලයිෆ් එක ඩිෆිකල්ට් ඇයි මේ අපි හැමෝම අපේ තියෙන හියුමන් රිලේෂන්ෂිප්ස් අතෑරලා හරිද බිසි වෙලා වැඩවලට දුවනවා සල්ලි හම්බ කරන්න හරිද නීඩ්ස් අපිට දේවල් වැඩි අපේ ඔකියුපේෂන් එකක් ජොබ් එකක් but in our Asian life right our ancestors live simple life right they don't have any like right they have something to do right they only need to survive right ඒගොල්ලන්ට survive වෙන්න විතරයි උනේ හරිද මට තට්ටු දෙකේ ගයක් ගන්න ඕනේ මට අර මොකද්ද BMW i8 කාර් එක ගන්න ඕනේ හරිද එහෙම ඒවා ඒගොල්ලන්ට තිබුණාද විරුක නෑ නේද ඒගොල්ලන්ට ඕන උනේ මොකද්ද තිස්සනේ just survive නේද they have to find foods to survive they find foods
By doing agriculture, hunting animals.
They did agriculture, they did hunting in the past era, right? In Stone Age, they did hunting, right? දැන් අපි හිතමුකෝ hunting Sorry?
Roaming in different places.
Yes, roaming, hunting and roaming, right? Roaming to different places and they gathered foods they have to eat, right? So, yes, when we talk about our ancestors' life, it is simple and their life is based on three livelihoods, right? Three main things, right? අපි මෙන්න මෙහෙම බලමු. Lifestyle of our ancestors. Asian people adapted their lifestyle on three key areas, right? Our Asian people adapted their lifestyle on based on three key areas. Can you tell me what are the three key areas?
Agriculture, craft work, and trade.
Agriculture, craft work, trade.
Agriculture, craft work, and trade. What do you mean by agriculture, Putala? Can you tell me what do you mean by agriculture?
Growing plants.
They plant seeds and later they harvest them.
Yes, farming, right? Farming, planting crops, right? It is the agriculture. When we talk about craft work, what do you mean by craft work?
That means we feel
Anything
creative.
with
Anything.
Yes, industries. Industries. What are the industries that we had in our ancient time? Industries?
clay pottery,
Ah, very good.
wood,
Pottery industry, very good. What else?
wood crafts,
Maths.
Sorry?
crafts,
What is the main pottery industry is the main industry that we had, right? We have to because of the agriculture we had to make instrument like we had to make many things, right, to do agriculture. What are those?
wood, crafts,
Right, there are big iron industry in our country, right? Iron industry යකඩ කියන වැඩවලින් යකඩ වලින් එක එක උපකරණ බඩු හැදුවා because of the agriculture එකට ඕන කරන බඩු හදන මේ iron industry එක, pottery industry එක, iron industry එක, and what else?
wood,
Gold industry, gem industry, right? ඔය වගේ අපිට තිබුණ දේවල් ගොඩාක් මේ industries wise ගත්තොත් එහෙම. And the trading. What is the trading?
they swap items, goods.
Yes. When we talk about trading, there are two types of main trading. What are the two types of trading? Can you tell me? Two types of trading.
In different countries, like they
yes.
trade.
We did trading to different countries. What is the name that we can use to that? Trading with different countries.
International trading.
International trading, yes, very good. International trading or foreign trading. So what is the other type? Okay, when we talk about trading, there are two types, right? Foreign trading, then
International trading.
no, foreign trading means international trading. Foreign trading with other countries.
Local trading.
Local trading, yes, local trading. Local trading. Local trading means, right, අපේ රට ඇතුළත, inside the country. අපේ රට ඇතුළත කරන වෙළඳාම තමයි අපි local trading කියලා කියන්නේ. Okay, Tisini, do you have any question or clarification? No.
No.
Right. Matisha, Vinuka? Any question? Natsuki?
No.
Mitunda? Lakilu? Do you have any question?
No, miss.
No.
No, teacher.
Right. So, when we talk about the life of our ancestors, right, it is very simple, right? Our ancient people adapted their lifestyle based on three key areas: their occupation, their job. Okay, I have some question. Right? Let's talk about this one. Right? Okay. First, I'm going to ask from Tiseni. Right? Tiseni, now you have to think, right? You are living our ancient time, like Anuradhapura period. Now you are living not in 2025 AD, right? So now you are living Anuradhapura period. So you have to choose one of these three jobs. What do you do? What do you choose? Agriculture, trading, craft work, or industry?
Agriculture.
You are going to do agriculture. Okay. What are the plants that you want to crop? Right?
Paddy.
Okay. You are going to do paddy cultivation. Okay. ඔන්න අපේ මුළු ගමටම දැන් අපි එක ගමක් right අපි එක village එකක ඉන්න neighbors ලා නේද ඔයගොල්ලෝ කැමතිනේ අපිත් එක්ක neighbors ලා වෙන්න නේද Oh, okay. We are neighbors. So අපි එක ගමේ ඉන්න කට්ටිය අපි ගමට නායකයෙක් පස්සේ දාගමු. Right? ගමික විනුක නේද? ගමික ලකිදු ගමික ගමික රුමික අපි මතකද කතා කරා ඒවා. හරි okay?
Yes.
Okay. So මෙන්න මේ ඉස්සෙල්ලි තෝරගන්නවා agriculture යා විදියට යා paddy field cultivation. යා අපේ මුළු ගමටම හාල් දෙන්න තමයි හදන්නේ. නේද? බත් දෙන්න හදන්නේ යා paddy cultivation එක කරලා. What about Vinuka? What do you choose from these three?
Industries, craft work.
Okay, so what is the industry that you are going to choose? Which industry?
Pottery.
Pottery industry.
Pottery.
You are going to do potteries, right? You are going to make clay pots to us, like
Pottery.
walang නේද? walang pinggang mutti hatti හදලා දෙන්න තමයි හදන්නේ විනුක. Right? walang pinggang hatti mutti ඔක්කොම විනුක දෙන්න හදන්නේ. walang වෙලෙන්දා නේද? Okay. Right? Let's see.
Craft work.
You are going to do craft. This industry.
Iron.
Iron industry. යක්ෂ හදන්නේ. ඒක ගොඩක් ඔයා මහන්සි වෙන්න ඕනේ. ගොඩක් මහන්සි වෙලා යකඩ මෙන්න මේ වගේ. wait මම පෙන්නන්න. Iron industry එකේ මෙන්න මේ වගේ යකඩ තලාගෙන මහන්සි වෙන්න ඕනේ. පුළුවන් නේද? යකඩ තලාගෙන ගොඩාක් රස්නේ ඒකේ. right? ලොකු temperature එකක් තියෙනවා. What about Matisha?
Bonzo.
Sorry?
Bonzo.
I can't hear you properly.
Trading.
Trading. You are going to do trading with other countries. You are going to do trading with other countries.
I'm going to trade gold.
Gold. You want to be rich, super rich.
Money, money.
Okay. How about Mithuda? Yes?
Agriculture.
Agriculture. Okay. Tiseni had a friend to do agriculture, right? Sudha and Tiseni can do agriculture, right? About paddy cultivation. But when we talk about agriculture, there's not only one thing, right? Not only the paddy field cultivation. What is the other cultivation that we had? When we talk about, okay, මිතුන්ද අපිට එක කියපු එකත් හොඳයි අපිට තියෙනවා. ලකින්ද වෙනුත් අහලෙමුකෝ. එයා මොකද පුතේ තෝරගන්නේ? Agriculture, craft work or trading?
Agriculture.
Agriculture. Okay, we have lot of people to do agriculture. So this is agriculture. මෙන්න මෙහෙම තමයි එතකොට තිසෙනිට මිතුනට ලකින්දුට agriculture කරන්න වෙන්නේ. ගොයම් කපන්න වෙනවා. හරිද? වවන්න වෙනවා. හරිද? කොහොම දේවල් තියෙනවා.
Matisha is alone trading.
Yes.
We'll get money, money.
She's going to do trading with other countries, right? She wants to be super rich. මේ ගමේ ඉඳලා මතිෂා ගොඩක් rich වුණාට පස්සේ අපිව ගණන් ගන්නට වෙයිද දන්නේ නැහැ. Gold trading කරලා නේද? With other countries.
Why you don't do that?
Okay? So, when we
From
talk about
dots.
agriculture, okay. Now we are going to talk about agriculture. Ancient people lived in villages and led very simple lives. For most people, agriculture was the main livelihood. Okay? So, what is the main livelihood of Asian people?
Agriculture.
Yes. Agriculture was the main livelihood of our ancestors. So, when we talk about agriculture, we have two types, right? When we talk about actually හොඳට අහගන්න පුතාලා මම කියන එක agriculture. Right? Then අපි මේක divide කරනවා මෙහෙම parts වලට. Agriculture we can divide it into two main parts, right? Farming,
Animal husbandry.
yes, animal husbandry, very good. Farming and animal husbandry. Farming and animal husbandry. So we have two types of farming. What is the two type of farming?
Are you asking the crops?
Tailor farming.
Tenor cultivation and paddy field cultivation, right? Paddy cultivation.
Teacher, where is Aaron?
Paddy cultivation, tea cultivation, and shena cultivation.
What shena cultivation is?
Okay, one කියලා දෙන්න.
And then
Right? So, you know about paddy cultivation. Paddy cultivation දන්නවද මොකද්ද කියලා? We also call it as wetland cultivation. Have you ever seen a paddy in real life? Have you seen?
yes.
Yes, Matisha, in
No.
Polonnaruwa you have many, right? What අපිට පෙන්නන්න
Yeah.
පුළුවන්
No.
ගොඩක් කියලා.
Yes.
So we have many paddies, right? Sri Lanka, because we are doing agriculture, right? So we have many paddies, right? හැමෝම දැකලා තියෙනවද? Raise your hand if you know paddies, right? If you have seen paddy in real life. Okay. You have seen many paddies, right? Mitunda Lakinda, you didn't see paddies in real life.
Moms, I have seen in cartoons.
You only seen them in cartoons. Oh. Where do you live?
I live in Colombo.
You live in Colombo. So Colombo don't have paddies, right? I'm also living in Colombo, right? I'm living in Nugegoda, right? Not the very near to the Colombo, right? The main city, right? But we are in Colombo district, right? In the urban area. But actually we have paddies, right? In my hometown, right? In Nugegoda කිව්වත් ඒක ගොඩක් හැත්තක් නමුත් චුට්ටක් පිට කියන්නේ එහාට යන්න යන්න තියෙනවා දැන් අපි ගත්තොත් එහෙම අපේ සයිඩ් එකේ කොලම්බෝ කියලා අපේ ඩිස්ට්‍රික්ට් එක කිව්වට අර ගොඩක්ම මේන් කොලම්බෝ 1 to 15 වගේ නෙමෙයි අපි නුගේගොඩ එතනට අපිට තියෙනවා මේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් පැඩිස් බලා ගන්න right right
We have lots of paddy.
yes in Polonnaruwa of course you are living in
Yeah.
Polonnaruwa now okay
Teacher,
yes
next to my neighbor's house, there is a field.
okay so paddy cultivation you all know about paddy cultivation right අපි paddy cultivation කියලා කියන්නේ කුඹුරට right ලංක paddy cultivation එක
Teacher. In these days, because of the flood, all the paddy fields were flooded in Polonnaruwa.
how about you how about your house
Uh, we we live in a apartment on the top floor, but we still got flooded from the roof.
So at that time, you didn't have power or like water or anything, right?
We didn't have power. Then
how
we
many
didn't have
days?
signal.
Teacher,
One day.
Yes.
it only rained for us. Nothing happened to us. We just stayed calm and our house was also calm.
You are living Kaduwela, right? Kaduwela යට උනේ නැද්ද ගම් වතුරට නෑ නේද? Kaduwela
Not Kadwala, not Kadwala, Kadawatha.
you are living Kadawatha, right? Okay. So this is paddy cultivation, right? This is paddy cultivation. So you have seen a lot of these. Sri Lanka, you can
My grandfather lives in Kadwala, and he told he got flooded or something.
I think now it's like people cleaning their houses like that. So yes, අපිට ලොකු
Really, what happened
කරදරයක්
to you?
වුණේ, right? Landslidings, sort of flooding ඔක්කොම හරිද?
Teacher, what happened to you?
Yes, what happened to you?
We didn't have right පීන්නේ නුගේගොඩනේ, right? පිට මුකුත් කරදරයක් වුණේ නැහැ, landsliding කඳු නෑ මෙහි, right? ගම් වතුරත් මුකුත් නැහැ. ඇත්තටම මුකුත්ම එහෙම ප්‍රශ්නයක් වුණේ නැහැ අපිට. ඒ වුණාට මේ රටේ මිනිස්සුනේ ගොඩක් කට්ටිය නේද? මම දැක්කා 600 ගණන් විතර තියෙනවා. ඉතින් ඔව්.
Teacher, 600 ගානක් කියන එක බොරුවක්.
උනේ ඊට වැඩි අනිවාර්යෙන් වැඩි වෙන්න ඕනේ. දැන් අතුරුදහන් වෙච්ච කට්ටියත් ඇති ගොඩක්. 600 ගානක් කියන්නේ මේගොල්ලෝ මේ කියන ගාන ඉතින් ඒනට ඊට වැඩි ගොඩක් වැඩි ඇති. අතුරුදහන් වෙච්ච කට්ටිය හොයාගන්න
Teacher,
බැරුව
it was more than 500 millimeters.
raining. So this is paddy cultivation, right? So what is chain cultivation means? I told you that there's a chain cultivation. What is chain cultivation?
Miss?
chain
Corn?
cultivation කියන්නේ ඔගොල්ලෝ අහලා
Corn?
තියෙනවා හේනක් කියලා. හේනක් බලන්න ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවා. හේනක්
I think I have seen it, but I have never heard that name.
I have
chain
never heard this.
cultivation නැත්නම් හේනක් කියලා කියන්නේ මෙන්න මෙහෙම පොච්චක් තියෙන්නේ පැලක් තියෙන්නේ. එහෙම පැලක් එක්ක
Yes,
ඔයගොල්ලෝ
yes,
දැකලා
yes,
තියෙනවා
yes,
බලන්න.
yes, yes.
Yeah. In Polonnaruwa you also have paddies and hanas, right? හේනවලුත් ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. right? මට කියන්න පුතේ මේ හේන කියන එක දැකලා තියෙන කට්ටිය. ඒ කියන්නේ ඇත්තටම ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා මේ හේන කියන එක ගැන මොකක් හරි idea එකක් තියෙනවා. Metsuki, you didn't have any idea about hena. හේනක් දැකලා නැද්ද පැටියෝ? දැකලා තියෙනව නේද?
Teacher,
ඔව්.
teacher, I told you that next to my neighbor's house is a paddy field. No, in that paddy field there is chain henna.
So in paddy cultivation, right? In paddy farming, they plant paddies, right? ඒගොල්ලෝ හාල්. Sorry, හාල් නෙමෙයි. වී තමයි වගා කරන්නේ. වී වගා කරනවා. In chain, what are they crop? What are the things that they crop? What are the plants that they crop?
Yes, maize,
Yes.
tomatoes.
Yes, vegetables. Yes.
Tomatoes.
Vegetables, yams, grams, right? Vegetables, yams, and grams, right? Like corn, right? ඔය වගේ හේන් වල වගා කරන්නේ vegetables. එළවලු, ඊළඟට අපි ගත්තොත් එහෙම අල වර්ග, ඊළඟට ධාන්‍ය වර්ග. right? ඕවා තමයි ඒගොල්ලෝ වගා කරන්නේ හේනවල් වල. So හේනක මෙහෙම watch hut එකක් තියෙනවා. නැත්නම් අපි මේකට සිංහලෙන් කියන පැලක් කියලා නේද? සිංහල ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉගෙන කවි කියලා. Why we need watch hut? Right? Why we need watch hut?
In the night, animals are coming and eating the food, so the farmers stay there and wait at the night if there's any animals
Yes.
eating the plants.
Take chenas from wild animals, right? Chenas from wild animals, they have to stay in watch hut at night so they can protect their chainers, their crops from wild animals. What are the wild animals who came to chain us? How the way wild animals?
Elephants.
Elephants. Yes, very good. What else?
Wild boars.
Wild boars. Very good.
Mosquito.
In the country.
What? Boars.
Yes.
Porcupine.
Porcupine.
Monkey.
Who is the first one?
Elephant.
Monkey.
Yeah.
Can't you find this
No,
monkey?
I thought that's a different kind of monkey.
Right? So yes, those are the wild animals who came to chain us, right? So the farmers have to protect their chainas from these wild animals, right? Okay. Now write down the topic as lifestyle of our ancestors. Lifestyle of our
Porcupines, wild animals.
yes, porcupine.
My grandfather had a little one. It was so cute.
Yes. Actually, in our area also, right? In our area also, at night we can see porcupines come to, like I told you that we
Teacher.
have paddy cultivations, right? We have like paddies, right? ඒ හරිය ඉඳලා porcupines හැබැයි ඒගොල්ලෝ චූටි කට්ටිය නෙමෙයි. අර ඒගොල්ලෝගේ කූරු තියෙන හින්දා ඒගොල්ලෝ විසයි. හරිද? ඒගොල්ලෝ එළියට හෙට මෙහෙට යනවා. හැබැයි ඒගොල්ලෝ මිනිස්සුන්ට බයයි. ඇයි ඒ? මිනිස්සු ඒගොල්ලෝම මරලා මස් කනවා. දැන් මස් කනවා ගොඩක් කට්ටිය. ඔයගොල්ලෝ අහලා තියෙනවද ඒක? දැන් මස් කනවා කියලා.
Whenever I touch him, he rolls into a ball.
Yes.
Teacher,
Yes.
in our school there was a trip, and when I was coming with my father to the school, in the 5 a.m. in the morning, a porcupine was going in the road.
Actually ඒගොල්ලෝ හරිම මේ අහිංසක සත්තු ටිකක්. හරිද? ඒගොල්ලෝගේ ආරක්ෂාවට තමයි අර කටු කටු ටික තියෙන්නේ. මිනිසුන්ගෙන් ආරක්ෂාව වෙන්න. Okay? Lifestyle of our ancestors.
Miss,
And
what will happen?
Asian
Miss,
people
what will happen if one of them pricks again? What will happen if one of them get hit? You know, like when it pierces through the human skin, what will happen to us?
sorry, I can't මොකද්ද හැවුවේ?
What if that porcupines, what we call katu?
okay. ඒගොල්ලෝගේ කටු ඇනුනොත් ඒවා විසයි පුතේ. يعني ඒ කටු ඇනුනොත් අපිට විසයි. يعني මැරෙන්නේ නැහැ. හරිද? විසයි අපේ ඇඟට අපිට එක එක කියන්නේ දැන් අර ඉදිමිලා වගේ හරිද? එහෙම එන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ කටු විසයි. අපිට ඇනුනොත් එහෙම කියන්නේ අපේ ඇඟට ඇනුනොත් එහෙම ඒක විසයි. ඒක පොඩි මැරෙන්න තරම් මේකක් නෙමෙයි. හැබැයි තුවාල එන්න හරිද? එහෙම වෙන්න පුළුවන්.
Teacher,
ඔව්.
teacher, I have a question.
Yes.
What if a million spikes were? What if a million porcupine spikes were hit by a human? What if a million porcupine spikes were hit by a human?
Okay, so it hurts us, right? Actually, it's like a poison, like when we touch them more, like ඒක අපේ ඇඟ ඇතුළට ගියොත් එහෙම තමයි අපිට තුවාල වෙන්නේ. තුවාල වෙලා ඒක මැරෙන්න තරම් යන්නේ නැහැ. but ඒක අපේ ඇඟට හොඳ නැහැ. තුවාල වෙන්න පුළුවන්. right? wound එකක් මොකක් හරි හැදෙන්න පුළුවන්. okay, lifestyle of our ancestors. And we have to write Asian people adapted their lifestyle based on 3 key areas. Okay? Asian people adapted their lifestyle based on 3 key areas.
We need to write the topic.
Yes, lifestyle of our ancestors. It is your first lesson. Write down the lesson name, write lesson topic, topic of your lesson, lifestyle of our ancestors. Lifestyle of our ancestors. Asian people adapted their lifestyle based on 3 key areas. Tell me, Putala, what is the 3 key areas?
Agriculture, craft work, trade.
Yes, agriculture, craft work, and trade. Okay, write down agriculture, craft work, and trade. Agriculture, craft work, and trade.
Excuse me, miss. ඊට උඩින් තියෙන එක ලියන්න ඕනේද?
Oh, Pute. Asian people adapted their lifestyle based on 3 key areas: agriculture, craft work, and trade. You had to write.
Teacher, I have done writing.
Okay. It's okay, finished? Okay, all good?
Yes, teacher.
Right. What happens to our fastest writer in the world? Isha?
She is slow like a snail.
Next time I'm going to write quickly.
Actually, others don't know about their competition, right? In grade 6, right? Matisha, Vinuka, and Rumika, right? There's a lot of students here, right? And they had a competition, the fastest writer in the world. We have Aaron. Aaron is also not there, right?
Senomi?
Senomi is in paper class now. Senomi will come to paper class.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes.
අර මේ agriculture එකට උඩින් තියෙන එකත් ලියන්න ඕනේද?
Okay, lifestyle of our ancestors, right? This is the first lesson, right? Your lesson topic. First lesson, lifestyle of our ancestors. So you have to write main topic here and this everything in your my smart mode.
Teacher, you are speaking about our competition.
Yes, fastest writer.
Next one I'm going to do fastest writer. Because it's the
Lifestyle
new
of our ancestors. Asian people adapted their lifestyle based on 3 key areas. So in these 3, right, what is the main livelihood of our people? Is it agriculture? Is it craft work?
agriculture.
So main livelihood of our people is agriculture. What is the main livelihood of our people?
Agriculture.
Agriculture, right? Main livelihood of our people is agriculture. So Putala, tell me, what is the 2 types of agriculture? 2 types of agriculture?
Farming, animal husbandry.
Farming, animal husbandry. Very good. Farming and animal husbandry. We talk about farming, right? Cultivation, paddy cultivation, and chena cultivation. What about animal husbandry? What about animal husbandry?
Taking care of animals.
They training animals. Animal husbandry අපි සත්ත්ව පාලනය. Who are the animals we use for the animal husbandry?
Goat, chicken, hen,
Cow,
bull,
goats, sheep.
pork, bulls,
Yes, right? So,
horses.
when we talk about animal husbandry in Sri Lanka, we use cows most, right? අපි සත්ත්ව පාලනය කරන එක කරාදී පුතේ ලංකාවේදී අපි ගවයන්ව හරක්ව තමයි ගොඩක්ම මේ සත්ත්ව පාලනයේදී යොදා ගත්තේ. Wait a minute. right? So when we talk about agriculture, right, there's animal husbandry and farming, right? Okay. Write down the topic as agriculture. Agriculture is the main topic now. Sorry, Putala.
Should we write that paragraph?
Yes.
Should we write
You
that
have to write
paragraph?
the agriculture subtopic as agriculture. And you have to highlight this part, right? ඔගොල්ලෝ ලියා දීම වෙන පෑන් එකකින් හරි පැටියෝ. දැන් highlight කරලා මේක ලියා ගන්න. Agriculture was our main livelihood. Underline that part or highlight that part. Agriculture was the main livelihood.
We're done writing. Finished. First. Yes. Teacher. Teacher.
Yes.
Done.
I finished first.
Teacher, I have done once again. Teacher, Matisha is still writing.
Are you on the underline?
I underlined and finished.
Okay. Okay. So let's revise. What did we learn today? Right? Right. So today we started our grade 7 new class, right? So our first lesson is, what is our lesson topic? Can you tell me what is our lesson topic?
Style of our ancestors.
Lifestyle of our ancestors. So in this lesson, first we learn about our ancestors, right? Have livelihoods, right? What is their main livelihood?
Agriculture.
Agriculture. Part of agriculture, what are the two key areas that
Agriculture.
we learn about? Our ancestors adopted their
Farming
lifestyle in three key areas, right? What are those three key areas?
Agriculture.
Craft work, trade.
Agriculture, craft work,
After
and trading. Okay. Agriculture, craft work, and trading. When we talk about agriculture, agriculture is the main livelihood. Next week, we are going to talk more about agriculture, right? What are the types of agriculture and what are the chain cultivation, what is the paddy field cultivation means, right? ඔය වගේ ගොඩක් දේවල් අපි කතා කරමු. මට ඔයගලන්ට දෙන්න සින්දුවකුත් අහන්න දෙන්න තියෙනවා next week එකේ ඒක අහන්න දෙන්න. Okay? Right.
the moment
Let's do
we
the
have
quiz now. Quiz.
Wait, teacher, we bring our phones.
lifestyle of our ancestors. Is it okay? All clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Then see you on paper class putala. I go on. See you.
I born teacher. Bye
Ayubowan.
teacher. Thank you teacher. Bye Mati.
Bye.
Ayubowan.